Alright, what's up y'all? It's your girl Glam.Nefercent here, back at it again with the big idiot again. Today we are making banana pudding, honey. Not your mama's banana pudding. Period. Okay, so let's start with the ingredients on what you're gonna need. You're gonna need I like to use 2 boxes. Now this is the bigger one. This is the Jello Vanilla Instant Pudding, and this is 5.1 ounces. So actually I think 1 box is good enough because I was using 2 of the smaller boxes, but I think 1 box is good enough. So we're gonna see how the filling is looking when I just use 1 box, because yeah, I got these from Target. I didn't know that it was 5 ounces. So yeah, you're gonna need 1 or 2 depending on how much you're making. You're gonna need 1 box of this. If it's the smaller ones, then you're gonna need 2 of those. Of course, you're gonna need, well, I like to use a little bit of the pure vanilla extract. That's just me, I'm extra. You're gonna need some sweet condensed milk, excuse me. You're gonna need some, I like to use whole milk. Some people use soy, whatever you wanna use, almond, whatever. You're gonna need 6 bananas, a bowl, a whisk, or electric whisk if you have it. I don't have electric whisk, so I have to use the whisk that I have. You're gonna need 2 bags of the Chessman cookies. Again, it depends on the size of servings that you're trying to make. Like, okay, you're gonna need cream cheese and some Cool Whip. Okay, and of course an aluminum pan or a bowl, whatever you decide to put it in. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so baby's gonna try this delicious banana pudding. Keep back up a little bit. Damn, I mean, I know it's good, but shit. All right. Back up some. Back,
bro.
Wait, it's not focused. Hold it. Wait. It's not focused. Okay, it's focused now. Okay, go ahead. What are you doing?
Oh, give me some more. Like,
No. Okay, guys, you have it. There you have it. She likes it. That's it for now. We about to have breakfast. Thank you all for watching. Bye.